that after this tour, you'll be glad that you are all the stuff. Now, essentials, the process sounds of the instruction teaching the college of fine arts So this time, kasal ikaw ng marriage, but they're not husband and wife. They can confess that their Christians going to be all the figures. So they're not husband and wife. And that's the reason why we came up with this celebrating the wife. Kasi nakakinis kayo ng vibes of the church. People ang original picture ng bride, the husband is still dead. So, seeking through the pictures, he came across these men. So, kinextama I mean, when we yung part na probably mag-represent na talaga kasama yun. But, if you see maalala mo kaya, it becomes more natural. Buksan na natin, gusto mo na tanging larawan mo. Ano po? Yes. No negotiate and not with the idea of using extreme field. Apo. Right, and that's so before we use this, we use Kandila by way of technology. Now we can use even image. What's so funny here is that pag in-explain mo kasi, alam mo kahoy lang. Pag in-explain mo tao, alam mo may luto. It's a statement pa lang, pero very subtle. And then, Ronald Ventura, this is photo canvas. Pero nilagyan nito as part of his concept. So, thought about contributing and again this is another globalization. So, and taking this as a part of the life. So, yan yung ginagawa ng commercial business natin. And that's actually in this case. Why this? As we see and do, yung reflection natin. So, part 1 tayo na system. So, it's becoming more like interactive. Now the other one is photograph printed on canvas, painted black, and then your embroidery, even like the piano is actually embroidery on canvas. Ano na gumamit ng apps na kayo negative sa apps nyo? Ano kayo negative sa yung picture na kasi na kayo application. Tapos meron kayo Zelia or ganun, effects. Gamitin yung negative. Click this one off and then that will actually change the color. Not this painting. You can actually reverse the color. Inverse.
For that painting?
Restroom